In this video, I'm going to show you effective ways to reset your Vizio TV and fix common issues. Method 1. Power cycle the TV. The first thing you want to try is power cycling your TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and see if that fixes the issue. Method 2. Factory reset via menu. If a power cycle doesn't work, try a factory reset through the TV menu. Go to the settings, select System, and then Reset and Admin. Choose Reset TV to Factory Defaults. This will erase all settings and data, so only do this if you're okay with starting fresh. Method 3. Soft reset with remote. A soft reset can be done using your remote. Press and hold the volume down and input buttons on the TV at the same time for 15 seconds. When prompted, press the input button to confirm the reset. Method 4. Reset picture and audio settings. If your issue is related to video or audio quality, reset those specific settings. Go to Settings, Picture, or Audio, and select Reset to Default. This can resolve problems without a full factory reset. Method 5. Reset using the TV's physical buttons. For older models, a reset can be done using the physical buttons on the TV. Press and hold the power button for 20 seconds to trigger a reset. If none of these methods work, it might be time to contact Vizio support or consider a professional repair. Thanks for watching, and I hope one of these methods got your TV back on track.